So if you want to connect any app to HighLevel using OAuth 2 and you're not totally sure where to start, I get it. You're in the right place though. I'm using n8n as an example in this video, but this same setup process applies to pretty much any OAuth 2 app you want to connect. So let's get into it.
Hey guys, welcome to this video on how to create your OAuth connection, so OAuth 2 connection to n8n for Go HighLevel. Now I've done this a couple of times, I haven't done it for a while, so I'll try and remember exactly how to do it, so bear with me. So you want to go to marketplace.gohighlevel.com. If you haven't got a login already, create one, and then you want to go to the My App section, and then you want to create your first app. And you want to enter your name, so n8n OAuth 2, I'm going to call it demo. Let's do it, sub account, all good. Oh, what's up there? Okay, exact brand. Cool, let's just do OAuth 2 then. I'll just put my agency name in. I want to make it private, app type. Because we're only going to use it for ourselves. We want to use it for sub account. Who can install the app? Everyone. Let's do listing type white label. Create app. And now what we want to do is we want to go and fill out everything that is needed. So every red star you need to add something, which is something that they added recently, which is really annoying. Not a specification, so we need to go and find an image for that. We'll do it in a sec. Let's go down to these three types. Tagline, we are the best AI automation agency in the world, something like that. This is all just to placate their required statuses. Let's do advertising agency, company, flexible, app, that's not needed, good. So we're going to find an image, bear with me one sec. Cool, so I've just created a 1x1 red square in there. I'm just going to pop that in. Hey, okay, good. So check you've updated everything that you need to, press save. And that will be that. Then we can go down these. So listing configuration. Is there anything we need? Should be all good. App profile. So we need something, so a description. We are the... Cool. All good. Upload preview images of your application. I'm just going to pop one of those in. Oh, I knew it would be right. Okay, so we want 16 by 9. So let's do 640 by 360. 640 by 360. Apply. Save. Pop the dimensions in. Save. Let's see if this works. Perfect. Save. Oh, minimum of 3. Okay, cool. Will they? Okay, already been added. Brilliant. Okay. So let's save this again. Let's go V2. And let's go V3. You don't need to use BeFunky, by the way. You just got to have a tool that creates. They can see what it is. Okay. In that case, we need to go and amend the background color. Let's go purple. Save. And background fill. Let's go green. V2. Now let's see, can this be accepted? Hey, okay, good. Press save. Done. It should be profile details done as well. Yep. So support details. So support. Pop in your email address. Don't need these. Support number. Cool. that's ours. Make sure that you have the what's it called, the international number before. Only do the ones with red stars, remember, unless you want to do everything else. You may need terms. I'm going to pop those in just in case, actually. I vaguely remember that as being needed. So let's go on. But it might not be, so you don't have to add these in. I'm just doing these now because I think they may be. If it tells you that you need them at the end, then do it, or just do it anyway. It's good practice. And then terms and conditions. Good. Save. Pricing details next. So pricing, it's free. That is correct. So let's go save. That should be pricing done, hopefully. These update not supported currently, okay. Don't need that. Advanced settings, auth. Okay, we'll do that in a sec. Okay, manage. Pricing. Now, why isn't this publish? See if we can publish this now. Let's go and publish, shall we? See what happens. Cool, so we still need some things done. So let's go to secrets. Let's add a client secret. Now this is going to be n8n OAuth, and this would be a good time to open up your n8n as well. So let's go to create credential. Let's go HighLevel. Make sure to pick the OAuth API. So we want to click to copy this first. Actually, no, let's do this first. OAuth 2, add. So now we want to make sure. I would be saving this in a notepad as well. Save this in a notepad, so you don't forget it, and save it into your computer. But let's just go and pop these in now. We're in white label. We've done white label, so keep it as white label. Client secret. Now I'm just going to go and pop these in a notepad as well. Client ID. Never share these with anyone either. Cool. So that's done, and let's just go back and get the client ID. Oh, that was the client ID. Cool. So that goes there. The secret is here. Done. So that's all good. So we can press OK now. We've got that in here. Now we want to go and copy this OAuth redirect. And we want to go to advanced settings, auth. Should be a redirect here. I believe there's a local host as well. I'm going to leave that there for now. So that's done. Now we need to do the scopes. So let me try and find my scopes 1 second. Okay, so we've got our scopes. Where is it? There we go. So these are our scopes. So I want to just copy these and paste them in here. Now what we want to go and do is we want to go back to here. Now we want to search scopes. Can we do them all? Probably not. So let's go through sub and agency. Don't need those. Don't need those. Don't need those. Let's try and keep the ones that we just need. Associations, don't need those. Blogs, don't need those. Brown boards, don't need those. Business. Let's get these going. Calendars. Yep, we want calendars in there. Select all for calendars. Don't need campaigns. Chat widgets, don't need chat widgets. Contacts, we definitely want contacts. Conversation AI, I don't think we need that. Conversations, let's just add conversations in. Courses, don't need that. Custom fields, definitely custom fields. Emails, potentially you may. Don't necessarily need them, but I'm going to add them. And then forms, I don't think we need forms. Funnels, don't need funnels. Invoices, potentially need invoices. Knowledge base, nope. Else email, nope. Trigger links, don't need it. Locations, potentially might need that. Developer maintenance, nope. Medias, OAuth, no. Object opportunities, potentially, yep. Payments, probably not. Products, store, survey, Twilio account, users, potentially. What's our WordPress workflows? Let's get the workflows in. Okay. Now let's see. So we've got 47 scopes. Let's press save. So we need to get those scopes for us into a document. So bear with me. Okay, so this is what the scopes look like. So we can go back to here. That looks good. So we can just save that off. Press confirm. So that's saved. We should be all good. So if we go to our versions, let's go see if there's anything else. We'll just go and publish and see if anything else needs doing. It doesn't. So that will just be publishing now. Taking its time. Good. So that's live now. So if we go back to my apps, you'll be able to see that. Flexible OAuth. We can go into it. If you want to make any changes to it, you'll need to, let's forget how to do this. Manage versions. And clone as draft. You just clone as draft and then you can go and work on it again. Now let's go see if this works. So firstly, what we want to do, we want to just name it whatever the sub account you're going to connect is. So I'm going to connect up one of my snapshots that I'm working on at the moment, which is Wingman Hulk. I'm going to go and press save. I'm going to go and press connect my account. That should open up a thing like this. You're going to press login. That should log in, and then you want to go and find that thing again, this bit here. Cool. So it's going to tell you what it needs. So it's app requires permission to create edit users. That has not been verified. This app is requested for sensitive information. Please proceed only if you trust that. Okay, cool. That's perfectly fine. Press next. I want to go and find the snapshot. I believe it's Wingman Hulk Android. Perfect. So we want to X out of that. Go back to thingy. Account is connected. And that is all good from there on. So hopefully that helps, guys. Fingers crossed. Any issues, let me know. But thanks all for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.
Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video today. I have a free community. It's called the AI Automation Agency Ninjas. There's a link below to it, and you can get all sorts of help with this type of stuff. So come join us, and I'll speak to you soon.